Growing African violets, St. Paulia, indoors can be a rewarding experience. These plants are known for their vibrant flowers and lush foliage, and with the right care, they can thrive indoors. Here are the steps to successfully grow African violets indoors. 1. Choose the right pot and soil. Pot. Use a small, shallow pot with drainage holes. African violets prefer slightly snug containers. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for African violets or create your own by mixing equal parts of peat moss, vermiculite, and perlite. 2. Lighting. Natural light. Place the plants in a location where they receive bright, indirect sunlight. An east-facing window is ideal. Artificial light. If natural light is insufficient, use fluorescent or LED grow lights placed about 12-15 inches above the plants. Provide 12-14 hours of light daily. 3. Watering. Frequency. Water the African violets when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Method. Water from the bottom by placing the pot in a shallow dish of water for about 30 minutes, allowing the plant to absorb moisture through the drainage holes. This helps prevent water from touching the leaves, which can cause spots and rot. Temperature. Use room temperature water to avoid shocking the plant. 4. Humidity and temperature. Humidity. African violets prefer a humid environment. Aim for 50-60% humidity. Use a humidity tray or a room humidifier if necessary. Temperature. Keep the temperature between 65 to 75 degrees 18 to 24 degrees. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. 5. Fertilizing. Type. Use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer specifically designed for African violets. Frequency. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks. Reduce the frequency during the winter months when the plant's growth slows down. 6. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning. Remove dead or yellowing leaves and spent flowers to encourage new growth and prevent disease. Cleaning. Keep the leaves clean by gently brushing off dust with a soft brush or damp cloth. 7. Repotting. Frequency. Repot your African violet every 6 to 12 months to refresh the soil and provide more room for growth. Method. Gently remove the plant from its pot, shake off excess soil, and trim any damaged roots. Replant in fresh potting mix in a slightly larger pot if needed. 8. Pest and disease management. Pests. Watch for common pests like aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Diseases. Prevent fungal diseases by ensuring good air circulation around the plant and avoiding water on the leaves. 9. Propagation. Leaf cuttings. African violets can be easily propagated from leaf cuttings. Cut a healthy leaf with about an inch of stem, insert it into moist potting mix, and cover with a plastic bag to maintain humidity until new growth appears. By following these steps, you can create the ideal conditions for your African violets to thrive indoors, rewarding you with their beautiful, colorful blooms.